Hello, my name is Andrea Alfian Minson, and I will present a topic about deforestation and biodiversity loss, the impact of oil palm expansion. Deforestation and biodiversity loss. Oil palm plantations are responsible for 10% of global deforestation. This destruction impacts not only the environment but also the climate and biodiversity. Between 2001 until 2020, tropical region lost about 411 million hectares of forest, with a significant portion due to palm oil cultivation. Oil palm, despite its economic importance, the environmental trade-offs are severe, including deforestation, species extinction, and climate change. Indonesia and Malaysia are the leading contributor to deforestation caused by oil palm plantation, accounting for 85% of global palm oil production. Here is overview of oil palm expansion. First is the uses of oil palm. Palm oil is used in products such as cooking oil, margarine, soap, shampoo, cosmetic, and even biofuels. Its versatility and high yield make it economically attractive. Palm oil high yield per hectare make it more efficient than other vegetable oils, but this efficiency comes at cost of biodiversity. The top producer of oil palm is Indonesia and Malaysia. This country relies heavily on palm oil as a major export commodity, contributing significantly to their GDPs. And the economic rules of oil palm is millions of smallholder farmers depends on palm oil cultivation for their livelihoods. However, the economic benefit often come at the expenses of environmental sustainability. This is the causes of deforestation because of palm oil. First is land demand. The global demand for palm oil is expected to increase as population growth and industry expand. To meet this demand, forests are cleared to establish a large-scale monoculture plantation. Second is economic pressure. The smallholder farmer clear forests to expand their land holding, often with limited knowledge of sustainable practices, which larger corporations prioritize profit over environmental stewardship, leading to aggressive land conservation. And the third is weak policy. In many producing countries, environmental laws are either weak or poorly enforced. Illegal logging and corruption further exacerbate the problem, allowing deforestation to continue unchecked. Next is the impact on biodiversity. First is habitat loss. Forests are home to countless species, many of which are endangered. Clearing forests for plantation destroy this habitat. For example, the Bornean orangutan population has halved in the last 20 years due to habitat loss. Species extinction. Iconic species such as Sumatran tiger, pygmy elephant, and rhinoceros are critically endangered because of deforestation. The loss of biodiversity disrupts the food chains and ecological balance. Lastly is ecosystem disruption. Monoculture plantation lack the diversity needed to support a healthy ecosystem. The removal of the forest also affects pollinator and other species critical for ecosystem service. As you can see in this picture, you can see that the habitat of orangutan in Sabah destroyed because of the oil palm expansion. Next is environmental impact. First point is carbon emission. Tropical forests store massive amount of carbon. When cleared, this carbon is released into the atmosphere, while contributing to global warming. Peatland often drained for palm oil plantation, which will release even more carbon when disturbed. The second point is soil and water damage. Soil degradation occurs as plantation deplete nutrient and compact the soil, reducing its fertility. Fertilizer and pesticide used in palm oil cultivation often run off into river and stream, which polluting water sources and harming aquatic life. Here is the sustainable solution for the deforestation and biodiversity loss. First is certification system. MSPO and RSPO certification promote sustainable and environmental friendly palm oil production. MSPO, a Malaysian government initiative, is ensure the producer follow sustainable practices to reduce deforestation, maintain soil health, and treat worker fairly. It is mandatory for all Malaysian producers in palm oil. Next is RSPO, a global certification. It sets strict standards to prevent deforestation, protect wildlife, reduce emission, and respect indigenous rights. RSPO certified product guarantee sustainable production. So the benefit of having certification system is this certification help to protect the environment, conserve the biodiversity, ensure fair labor practices, and improve the access to market demand sustainable palm oil. Last sustainable solution is reforestation. Conservation projects such as the Heart of Borneo play a critical role in this effort. This initiative span across Indonesia, Malaysia, and Brunei, especially in Borneo, which is to aim to protect and restore over 22 million hectares of tropical forests caused by the expenses of palm oil. This will create wildlife corridor, which is connect fragmented habitats and allowing species like orangutan, tiger, and elephant to move freely and thrive. So additionally, they support biodiversity by providing shelter and food for various species, contributing to healthier ecosystem. In summary, palm oil expansion drive deforestation, biodiversity loss, and environmental harm. Fueled by high demand, economic pressure, and weak regulation, these impacts are very severe, which will threatening ecosystem and contributing to the climate change. But by adopting sustainable practices and raising consumer awareness, can help mitigate the damage. By supporting the certified sustainable palm oil product and advocating for stronger environmental policy are very crucial step toward to preserve our planet as we balance the economic development with environmental preservation. That's all from me. Thank you.